Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap the Village's local and long-distance movers. Near me. Our team will help you with your long-distance move in many ways. Of course, we provide transportation, but we can offer even more services than just transportation. Here are some of the things we can do for you with our long-distance moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the cost of hiring a Florida moving company can be a struggle at first. When you see the benefits, it's easier to understand why it makes sense to work with professional movers. You'll save plenty of time and you'll have an experienced team to pack up your things and handle them throughout the move. Plus, you won't have to risk injury by doing any of the heavy lifting. The professional team at 3 Movers can make it easier to settle into your new home much sooner. While it might take you several days or even a week to move all your things, we can do it in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, The Village's moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.